Oh man, live stream is terrible. I don't know what's going on with my webcams. But anyways, so I just decided to upload this video so I can show you guys that I have these models for sale on my online store, customtrackmaster.com. And we have this person. And now let me tell you, all these engines, we put new gears on all and grease. So these are serviced and ready to run. This one is too fast Percy. Look at that. Okay, and we have this Charlie from Mattel 2009. Let's look at this really close up. So we did also touch up the buffer beams and some details on some engines. Now I remember I have another this on my store, but this one comes with this card with rails and some parts. I don't know what's this. What are those? I have no idea. So this one also working, really clean, really nice, and it's powerful. Look at that. It's fast. Is it the battery? I don't know where are you getting this. Where do you get these batteries? I don't know if these are available on my local store. I have no idea. So that one is all battery, but it's powerful. Look, we have Neville, really clean Neville. So like I say, I decided to upload the video instead of live streaming. It's the live streaming on my house here. It's terrible. I don't know what happened. It's not good quality, and the webcams mics are horrible. So anyways, we have this Neville. This Neville is from Hitoy company. We did a lot of work on this model. They were really terrible, dirty, dust. Now, so we did a lot of cleaning, grease and gear, especially motor gears. Talking about the motor gears, that's the one that makes a lot of noise. See the difference once you replace the gear that is kind of spins freely sometimes. It's not enough torque, and you replace the new one and put some grease, the engine gets a little faster. Look at that. It's really faster compared to other models. So we have another Duke, also touch up here, touch up there. I did not replace any decals on this, but we changed the gears, motor gears. As you can see, the grease, see all these engines. This one is Hitoy company 2006, and I have the other one that's available also for sale. Okay, this one does not have the battery. Okay, I'm gonna replace it from Duke. I don't know if you guys seen these adapters. I think I got this long time ago from a lot that I got. It's a good adapter. If you have a AA, just put it like that. It works like a shell and stays really good in place. So this one is Tomy 1997, says there. According to eBay, there are 2 dates, 2 years, 1996 and this 1997. So according to eBay, you gotta put the latest, not the oldest year. You gotta put the latest or newest year, the nearest year, newest. Anyways, 97. You cannot put 96 on your listing. Oh, I forgot. Let me show you. The stickers or decals are decent. No, this one is a little, looks like a dirt, but it's not dirt. Looks like a ding, something hit the model. So we have splatter. This one is Dodge splatter, Hitoy company. I mean, that's the what it says underneath. Hitoy company, Dodge splatter, but it's a splatter. This one, batteries. Remember, these batteries are all, I got all used batteries. I do not have a new ones. So, but anyways, still working. We replace everything. I gotta find these batteries. I don't know where to get it. I gotta find, maybe online, these C batteries, not on my local store. Anyway, so we have this molly. All these engines were cleaned, remove dust, touch up here, there, and the gear. This was very loud. Now it's really good, quiet engine. So I did not replace the stickers on this one, but it looks nice. Now the next one is Hank. This one is from Toy Company 2008. This one I did a little touch up on the lining there, and here somewhere, oh, right here too. This was faded, but now it's repainted. And remember, this is oil paint, oil-based paint, so there's no problem. We changed the gear and put some grease. Look at that inside. Grease, services, working good. So it came as it is, attached tender. I think someone replaced the coupler. Yeah, so we found it like that, but it was noisy also. Good thing that none of these engines have what is this, corrosion. They are really clean models. So there is Freddy always the paper, sticker papers, look, it's really on the edge, and when you grab it or play with it, always start to tear apart the edges. But we did touch up here and there and put some new gear. Also the grease inside, look at the grease right over there. This grease, we add grease to this model. Now let me tell you, this row, see, we replaced all the decals all the way around here. Did a cleaning and put a new eyebrows, so don't worry, this will not be removed. I added another coat of semi-gloss clear coat, so the eyebrows will not be removed. Anyways, so we put new sticker decals. Maybe you remember I told and I think in a video that, I don't know if that was the design, but I think it was the use that start to peeling off, or kind of dirt, but it wasn't dirt, I don't know. So what happened is, when I move my finger on the sticker right here, I grab it, it came off really easily. So I put the new stickers on this Rosie. This Rosie is from Toy Company. There goes Rosie. See the difference? Once you put the new gear and grease, they start really fast running like new. Now Emily was easy, just put the sticker decal in there. So Emily was really easy, just put this, we just put the sticker decal on the sides. That's how it looks. I wanted to put this thing vinyl, but I do not have the yellow color at the moment. I need to buy some new vinyl to make just the numbers and put them instead of the sticker paper. But there it is, Emily working really nice. Also, like I say, all these are on my online store, customtrackmasters.com, and the last two models are Timothy the Ghost Engine Customs. A lot of people ask me on Facebook, and I never answer them. Sorry guys, but I was busy. Now I'm committed to do these models for sale. They are available on my online store. Just two of these. This one is let me see, Tomy 2002. Remember, eBay also recommended, when I was selling on eBay, I'm talking about when I used to sell on eBay, recommended to put just the latest year, not this one. This one 1992. We shouldn't put that because it wasn't made on that year. It was made on 2002. Anyways, so this one is the Timothy the Ghost engine. Look how quiet and fast. I did not put any motors, special motors on this. We did a lot of service on the gears, cleaning, and new gear. Also this Mattel Timothy the Ghost engine custom model. vinyl all around here, and sticker decals on the windows on the car right here. That's the only thing I did. I mean, put the stickers on it.